Welcome. In this tutorial, we write a JavaScript function that finds the longest word in a sentence. We use regular expressions and basic loop logic to extract and compare words. It is a great example of string processing with real-world utility. Let's get into the logic and see how it works. The problem is simple. We want to identify the longest word in a sentence. For the input, the development tutorial, the correct output is development. We use a regex pattern to extract words and loop to find the one with the most characters. Now, let's explore how the JavaScript code works. We use match with a regular expression to pull out all the words from the string. We start by assuming the first word is the longest. Then we compare it with every other word using a loop. Whenever we find a longer one, we update our result. First, we split the sentence into an individual word using a regular expression. Next, we initialize the longest word as the first one in the list. As we loop through the rest, we update the longest whenever we find a larger one. Finally, we return the word that had the greatest length. Let's walk through a few examples. In the first case, development is clearly the longest at 11 characters. Or learn JavaScript today. JavaScript wins at 10. Even with ties, the function returns the first longest match found. This logic is useful in all kinds of applications involving text. You can highlight the longest words in editor tools or reading apps. It is also great for processing language data or building keyword extraction features. Knowing how to evaluate word length gives you insights into language complexity. To recap, we use regular expressions and a loop to find the longest word. It is a straightforward technique, but powerful in many text-related scenarios. Try this on different sentences and modify it to highlight or sort words. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.